Hello everyone and welcome to another Google Ads tutorial. Today we're going to explain how to run a YouTube Shorts only campaign in Google Ads. So let's say you want to run ads only on YouTube Shorts. We are going to go through the setup, so stick with me. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we go there, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. You're going to navigate here to Google Ads. We're going to create a new campaign. And here we're going to say create a campaign without objectives guidance, just to have all the options. Now, contrary to what you may think you should do, which is to select video campaign, if we want to run a YouTube Shorts only campaign, we're going to select demand gen. And I'm going to explain to you why in a moment. So we're going to select demand gen. This is going to be the campaign type. We're going to proceed with our campaign. We're going to say continue. We're going to start a new campaign. And here you're going to give your campaign a name. You're going to customize the campaign goal. I'm not going to go through the details. And eventually, when you go to your ad group and you scroll a little bit further down, you're going to see here channels. And under channels, there is this option that is called let me choose. And here, all you have to do is to deselect everything and select only YouTube Shorts. So what we want here under channels is select only YouTube Shorts, and this is going to become a YouTube Shorts only campaign. So we select demand gen as the campaign type, and under channels, we say let me choose, and we're going to only check YouTube Shorts. This means that when you go here to ads, obviously you are going to upload a video ad. Ideally, you're going to upload a video ad, which is a YouTube Short video, and that's the setup. That's how you're going to run a campaign that is only going to go on YouTube Shorts. Now, you may say, can I not actually go for a video campaign and run the ads on YouTube Shorts? You can kind of do this. It's not going to be an only YouTube Shorts campaign. So if you come here and you say, for example, I want to select a video campaign, and then let's go, for example, let's say with video views here, and we say continue. There is an option here under multi-format ads where you can deselect basically everything and you can only keep shorts. But in this case, your ad is going to go to the normal YouTube videos and additionally to YouTube Shorts. Whereas with the solution that we showed previously, if you select demand and campaign and you say, let me choose, and you only check YouTube Shorts, then you have a pure YouTube Shorts video campaign. There is nothing wrong with this solution also. Like you can create a video campaign, traditional video campaign, and you can say here YouTube Shorts and also, let's say, the normal videos that you're going to target by default. But if again you want a pure YouTube Shorts campaign, you don't want your ad to show anywhere else, then once again, what you have to do is to select demand gen. And once you select demand gen and you go down to the ad group level, there's this option that is called channels. And under this option that is called channels, here into the ad group, we're going to say, let me choose. You're going to deselect everything and only keep YouTube Shorts. And that's exactly how you can run a YouTube Shorts only campaign in Google Ads. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day in any time zone. Thank you, everyone.